got really stuck on that rock. He partially blames you, not really. Because he was like, I'm gonna follow Tim. No, it's just been consistently, like that guy right there has been rolling upwards as we go.
Until I got to this corner, I thought we were coming in this way.
Yeah.
That's the sketchy part, is turning in this way.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know we were coming straight through.
Damn rock. Yeah.
This one's touching.
Yeah. How about what if we just hold that tension and let back down here? Are we gonna? Oh my God. So, no joke, we were talking about full skids not even 5 minutes before this. And I was like, you need to get full skids. And she's like, yeah. We got a couple burly boys on the back. We'll just pick it up and spin it. Ooh. Yep. Yeah, you're right off the drive shaft, which is nice. So close.
I know, we got it shot.
All right. There's rocks in there. Rock there. Rock back there. We got a rock on that end, rock on this end. You got those, so you could try just crawling forward when you get that down. Yeah. Oh, I heard that ramp. Oh yeah, if that one stays, that'll be nice. Hey! What a big fucking rock. Ooh.
Good.
Hey, you're still on skids. Yeah, right on the gas tank too. Oh, you're golden now. Here, you wanna take the winch off? Yeah. Here, hold what you got. We're gonna take the winch off. Fredji! Woo!